Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And today we have ZOA Energy, the Healthy Warrior Energy Drink, zero sugar pineapple coconut flavor.
Somehow Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson
is involved, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure if he's maker or what, but somehow he's involved.
Interesting. Alright, so let's look at the important factors. We got ourselves 10 little calories, 140 milligrams of sodium, 2 carbohydrate grams. We got ourselves 60 milligrams of potassium, 70 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.2 milligrams of riboflavin, 0.2 milligrams of something or other. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. 12 milligrams of niacin, 1.3 milligrams of B6, 1.8 micrograms of B12, 1 milligram of lovely acid, 75 micrograms of folate. Magnesium, got 10 milligrams of those, and 20 milligrams of choline. Choline, I'm not sure, but anyways. And of course 120 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Sourced from green coffee and green tea.
Plus B2 and B1 vitamins. Nice. So open it up and give it a taste. So pineapple coconut.
It's not like a good flavor. And a pina colada.
Ooh, la la. Oh wow.
That's one of their smaller can varieties too.
That's smooth. Wow, that's very smooth.
Which is more predominant, coconut or pineapple?
I'd say a little bit more of the coconut.
Imagine that over at orange sherbet.
Yeah, it's interesting. Or coconut sherbet for that matter.
Yeah.
That's pretty good though. Very nice and smooth.
Yeah.
And a good blend of the flavors.
Yep. Very tasty.
That's pretty good. I like that.
Quite a few flavors. They got a orange, they got a blue pomegranate, I think, blueberry pomegranate. They got a fruit punch. I think there's one more flavor too.
Okay.
And they're really good value at Ollie's little bargain stores, bargain outlets. So you can get a 12-pack for about $10.
Wow.
Yeah. And that's the small can, but you get the bigger cans about for that 16-ounce cans for $10.
They're pretty good.
You can't beat that.
No,
And for the ingredient list and no sugar. So
yeah,
I like them.
that is definitely very tasty.
It's a great value.
Wow. And it also has its own unique flavor too.
Yeah, yeah.
Of its just how everything is put together like that. But very smooth. You would definitely like it. You get a little bit of bubbles, but it's a very smooth energy drink. That is
And it's
pretty
interesting too is
cool.
most of the flavors you can drink room temperature, cold,
And they're good.
To me.
Right. Okay. I like it. So I'd say SRD 392 because I mean that's definitely good quality and its own unique taste. That's for sure. So
Exactly.
I like it. Okie dokie guys. So check it out. ZOA, the Healthy Warrior Energy Drink, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.